The best honeymoon destinations in the world. A honeymoon marks the beginning of a new chapter in a couple's life, a celebration of love, and a chance to create cherished memories together. Choosing the perfect honeymoon destination is a momentous decision, as it sets the tone for an unforgettable journey that will be etched in their hearts forever. From idyllic beaches and exotic islands to breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cities, the world offers a myriad of options for couples seeking the ultimate honeymoon experience. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the world's best honeymoon destinations, each offering a unique blend of romance, adventure, and enchantment. 1. The Maldives, a paradise of overwater villas and pristine beaches. The Maldives, a dreamy archipelago in the Indian Ocean, tops the list of the world's best honeymoon destinations. Its turquoise waters, powdery white beaches, and overwater villas create a picture-perfect setting for romance. Couples can indulge in intimate beach dinners, go snorkeling or diving to explore vibrant coral reefs, or simply unwind in luxurious spa retreats. The Maldives offer a tranquil escape where time stands still, and love is celebrated amidst the beauty of nature. The Maldives is a haven for nature lovers, boasting a breathtaking array of natural wonders. The azure waters teem with vibrant marine life, making it a top destination for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Colorful coral reefs, majestic manta rays, playful dolphins, and graceful whale sharks are just a few of the fascinating creatures that call these waters home. The Maldives' underwater world is a living aquarium, offering unforgettable encounters with some of the world's most diverse marine species. The Maldives is renowned for its luxurious overwater bungalows and resorts, which offer unparalleled privacy and exclusivity. Perched on stilts above the crystal-clear lagoons, these elegant villas provide direct access to the ocean, making them an ideal choice for couples seeking a romantic and intimate escape. Many resorts in the Maldives offer world-class amenities, private plunge pools, and stunning ocean views, creating an ambience of opulence and tranquility. 2. Bora Bora, French Polynesia, romance in the heart of the South Pacific. Bora Bora, often referred to as the Pearl of the Pacific, is a true oasis of romance. Its iconic overwater bungalows and stunning turquoise lagoon create an idyllic backdrop for honeymooners. Couples can go on sunset cruises, swim with sharks and rays, or simply bask in the warm embrace of each other while surrounded by the enchanting beauty of French Polynesia. One of Bora Bora's most iconic features is its luxurious overwater bungalows. Perched on stilts above the crystalline lagoon, these elegant and private accommodations offer direct access to the water, creating an idyllic setting for honeymooners and couples seeking an intimate escape. With glass floors that allow guests to observe the vibrant marine life beneath them, overwater bungalows in Bora Bora provide a unique and romantic experience. Bora Bora is the epitome of romance, with its mesmerizing sunsets painting the sky in hues of pink, orange, and purple. As the day draws to a close, couples can enjoy a private beachfront dinner or a sunset cruise, creating unforgettable memories amidst the tranquil beauty of the island. Bora Bora's secluded nature and sense of serenity provide the perfect backdrop for intimate moments and cherished experiences. 3. Santorini, Greece, a mythical island of romance. Santorini, with its whitewashed buildings perched on cliffs overlooking the Aegean Sea, exudes an otherworldly charm. The island's iconic sunsets create a magical atmosphere that sets the stage for romantic evenings. Couples can explore ancient ruins, sip local wines at vineyards, and wander through charming villages hand in hand. Santorini's unparalleled beauty and Greek hospitality make it a truly unforgettable honeymoon destination. Santorini is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets, which paint the sky with a palette of colors that captivate both locals and visitors alike. The sunset views from Oya, in particular, are iconic and attract crowds from around the world. Couples often gather at vantage points, such as the famous Oya Castle, to witness this magical moment, creating cherished memories of love and romance against the backdrop of the setting sun. Santorini boasts a rich history that dates back to ancient times. The ancient site of Akrotiri, often referred to as the Minoan Pompeii, offers a glimpse into the island's past with well-preserved ruins and ancient artifacts. The island is also home to numerous museums and art galleries, showcasing the artistic and cultural heritage of Santorini. 4. Venice, Italy, a timeless city of love. Venice, the city of canals and gondolas, has long been associated with love and romance. Honeymooners can take leisurely gondola rides through narrow waterways, explore historic landmarks like St. Mark's Square, and savor Italian cuisine at charming trattorias. The timeless beauty of Venice creates a romantic ambience that has captured the hearts of countless couples throughout history. The Grand Canal is the main waterway that runs through Venice, serving as the city's main street. Lined with magnificent palaces, historic buildings, and charming bridges, a romantic gondola ride along the Grand Canal is an iconic experience. Couples can take in the breathtaking views of the city's architectural wonders while being serenaded by skilled gondoliers, creating an unforgettable memory of their time in Venice. Venice is famous for its centuries-old mask-making tradition, dating back to the Venetian Carnival. These intricately designed masks are a symbol of mystery and allure, adding an element of fantasy to the city's atmosphere. Couples can participate in mask-making workshops, don Venetian masks for a romantic photo shoot, or attend the annual carnival for a taste of the city's enchanting festivities. Venice, Italy, is a timeless city of love and romance, where the magic of its canals, historic charm, and artistic legacy weave a tapestry of enchantment. A stroll through its winding streets, a gondola ride along the Grand Canal, or a quiet moment in a hidden square, all offer opportunities for couples to connect deeply amidst the city's unparalleled beauty. Venice's essence of love and romance transcends time, making it a dream destination for couples seeking an extraordinary and unforgettable experience in the embrace of the floating city. 5. Kyoto, Japan, a serene oasis of tranquility. Kyoto, the cultural heart of Japan, offers a different kind of honeymoon experience, steeped in tradition and serenity. Couples can stroll through enchanting bamboo forests, visit ancient temples and gardens, and witness the beauty of cherry blossoms in spring. Kyoto's elegance and grace make it a perfect destination for couples seeking a serene and meaningful honeymoon. Kyoto is one of the few places in Japan where the traditional geisha culture still thrives. Couples can catch a glimpse of geiko, the Kyoto term for geisha, as they gracefully walk through the streets in their elaborate kimonos. Watching a geisha performance or attending a traditional banquet offers a glimpse into this elegant and mysterious world of ancient traditions. Kyoto is home to an abundance of temples and shrines, each reflecting the city's spiritual heart. Kiyomizu-dera, with its wooden terrace overlooking the city, and Fushimi Inari Taisha, famous for its thousands of vermilion torii gates, are iconic symbols of Kyoto's rich religious heritage. Couples can embark on a spiritual journey, discovering the beauty and tranquility within these sacred grounds. 6. Amalfi Coast, Italy, dramatic beauty along the Mediterranean. The Amalfi Coast, with its rugged cliffs, colorful villages, and stunning sea views, is a romantic haven along the Mediterranean coast. Couples can explore charming towns like Positano and Ravello, take boat trips to hidden coves, and indulge in Italian culinary delights. The Amalfi Coast's dramatic beauty and Mediterranean allure create a honeymoon experience that is both breathtaking and unforgettable. The Amalfi Coast exudes an aura of romance that has inspired countless artists, writers, and lovers throughout history. Couples can savor the magic of the region by sipping limoncello, a local liqueur made from Amalfi lemons, at a seaside cafe. Sunset boat cruises offer the perfect opportunity to admire the coast's golden hues, while moonlit strolls along the shoreline create intimate moments that linger in the heart. Beyond its natural beauty, the Amalfi Coast boasts a rich historical and cultural heritage. The town of Amalfi, once a powerful maritime republic, is home to the stunning Amalfi Cathedral and the Cloister of Paradise, both architectural masterpieces. The region's lemon groves, terraced vineyards, and artisanal craft traditions also reflect the enduring spirit of the Amalfi Coast's history. The Amalfi Coast's beaches offer a retreat for relaxation and leisure, with pristine stretches of sand and crystalline waters. Couples can soak up the sun at Spiaggia Grande in Positano or find secluded coves along the coast for a more private beach experience. Swimming, sunbathing, and sea kayaking offer moments of blissful enjoyment by the sea. 7. Hawaii, USA, island adventures and aloha spirit. Hawaii, a tropical paradise in the middle of the Pacific, offers a diverse array of experiences for honeymooners. Couples can explore active volcanoes in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, go snorkeling with sea turtles, or simply relax on some of the world's most beautiful beaches. The aloha spirit and laid-back atmosphere of Hawaii create a welcoming and memorable honeymoon destination. Hawaii's beaches are postcard perfect, with powdery sands and crystal-clear waters inviting travelers to bask in the tropical paradise. From the famous Waikiki Beach in Oahu to the secluded coves of Kauai's North Shore, each island boasts its share of stunning coastlines. Couples can enjoy leisurely sunbathing, try their hand at surfing, or snorkel with vibrant marine life in the coral reefs. Hawaii is home to some of the world's most active volcanoes, and a visit to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park on the Big Island provides a chance to witness nature's raw power. Couples can marvel at the otherworldly landscapes created by lava flows, explore lava tubes, and witness the glowing lava at Halemaumau crater. The experience of witnessing the dynamic forces of creation and destruction is truly humbling. 8. Bali, Indonesia, a blissful fusion of culture and nature. Bali, known as the Island of the Gods, captivates honeymooners with its spiritual essence and natural beauty. Couples can immerse themselves in Balinese culture through temple visits and traditional dance performances, unwind in luxurious spa resorts, or explore the island's lush rice terraces and pristine beaches. Bali's blend of culture, spirituality, and natural beauty makes it an ideal destination for couples seeking a transformative and romantic honeymoon. Bali is adorned with a myriad of temples, each a testament to the island's strong spiritual heritage. Tanah Lot, perched on a rock amidst the sea, and Uluwatu Temple, dramatically perched on a cliff, offer spectacular sunset views. Couples can also visit Besaki Temple, known as the Mother Temple, where a complex of Hindu temples cascades up the slope of Mount Agung, the highest volcano on the island. Bali's beaches are renowned for their beauty and diversity. From the lively shores of Kuta to the tranquil hideaways of Nusa Dua, there is a beach to suit every taste. Couples can relax on golden sands, take a dip in the clear waters, or enjoy water sports such as surfing, snorkeling, and diving. Bali's beaches offer the perfect setting for romantic sunsets and seaside dining experiences. 9. Seychelles, untouched beauty in the Indian Ocean. The Seychelles, an archipelago of 115 islands in the Indian Ocean, offers a secluded and romantic escape. Couples can explore the untouched beauty of nature in UNESCO-listed Vallée de Mai, relax on pristine beaches, and indulge in private island getaways. The Seychelles' unspoiled landscapes and luxurious resorts create a sense of intimacy and exclusivity for an unforgettable honeymoon. 10. New Zealand, adventure and wonder in Middle-earth. New Zealand, with its stunning landscapes and diverse scenery, is a haven for adventure-seeking couples. From exploring the otherworldly beauty of Milford Sound to bungee jumping in Queenstown, New Zealand offers a plethora of adrenaline-pumping activities. Couples can also immerse themselves in Maori culture, go on scenic road trips, and experience the natural wonders of Middle-earth, as depicted in the famous Lord of the Rings movies. Conclusion: a journey of love and discovery. The world's best honeymoon destinations offer a kaleidoscope of experiences, each with its unique charm and allure. Whether it's unwinding on the pristine beaches of the Maldives, exploring the cultural richness of Kyoto, or embarking on thrilling adventures in New Zealand, each destination promises a journey of love and discovery. A honeymoon is a celebration of a lifelong commitment, and choosing the perfect destination is an essential part of creating cherished memories that will be treasured for a lifetime. So, let love be your compass as you embark on this enchanting journey together, exploring the world hand in hand, and savoring every moment of your extraordinary honeymoon. Thanks for watching.